Grammar for beginners. Verbs. Words which tell us about some action or work are known as action words or verbs. They are also called doing words. Words like walk, roar, dance, read, and break are all doing words, as they indicate what people, animals, or things are doing. Paint, bake, wash, talk, eat, roll. Let's read some more verbs. Fly. Birds can fly. Cut. Cut the vegetables. Throw. Throw the ball. Lift. I can lift the dumbbells. Cry. Don't cry. Take. Take these flowers, please. Sing. The singer can sing. Push. Push the car. Chew. Giraffes like to chew leaves. Fry. Fry the potatoes. Hold. Hold this bowl. Drink. Hira likes to drink milk. Walk. We should walk every day. Read. Aunt Asma likes to read. Dance. Sana likes to dance. Ride. I can ride a bicycle. Write. I can write. Sleep. Asim likes to sleep. Enjoy the story and notice all the verbs. Play with verbs. It's 6 o'clock. Ollie's mother is waking him up. Ollie wants to sleep some more. Wake up, Ollie! Ollie's mother is cooking. She is frying an egg. Ollie's mother likes to sing. She is singing softly. Ollie is very naughty. He dropped a jar of cookies. The jar broke into many pieces. The jar made a loud noise. It woke up the baby. Mother cleaned the mess. Ollie is eating his breakfast. But Ollie could not drink the whole glass of milk. Drink it all up, Mother told him. Soon, Ollie left for school. He kissed his mother goodbye. Ollie's father drove him to school in his car. He saw his friends at the bus stop. He waved at them. Ollie and his classmates greeted their teacher. The teacher asked the students to open their books. The teacher called Ollie to the blackboard. Ollie wrote a sum on the blackboard. During sports hour, Ollie and his friends played football. Ollie scored a goal. Ollie's friend, Hassan, threw the ball off the field. Ollie and his friends searched for the ball everywhere. They did not find it. Ollie returned home in the afternoon and knocked on the door. Ollie's grandmother greeted him at the door. Choose appropriate verbs from the words provided in the box and fill in the blanks. Do not pluck flowers in the park. Do not fly kites. I pray every night. I like to eat sandwich. Sail the boat. I love my mother. Look at the picture carefully. This is the city Central Park. Now, write down all the actions that the people and animals are doing. List the words in the chart given on the next page. One action has been done for you. I hope you enjoyed and learned about verbs. Please like, share, and subscribe to Arsal Academy and hit the bell icon for more educational content.